In this ProModel solution, we're going to show you how to model a situation where if an entity or customer has been waiting too long, they will give up or just exit the system. For example, here in this model that we're going to use, we have calls that come into the call wait, and if the customer waits for longer than 3 minutes, then they hang up and exit the system. Or in other words, they renege. So first let's take a look at some attributes we have defined in the model. So we have a start wait and a total wait, both set as a real type number. So we'll use the a start wait as the time when the entity enters the call wait location, and the total wait is the attribute we'll use to keep track of the total time the customer is waiting. Now let's go into the processing table. And so we have calls that come into the call wait location, and let's double click into the operation logic. So first we create a local variable called x, and we set it equal to 0. Then we set the a start wait attribute equal to the clock in seconds, and then the entity or call enters a while do loop. So we say while x equals 0, we're going to do the following. First, we're going to see if the free capacity at the take call location is greater than 0, and if the free units of our resource agent are greater than 0. So basically, if there's free capacity at the take call and if the agent is available, then we're going to route 1, which is our take call location. And you also have to make sure to increment x so that entity exits the while do loop. If you don't, then the entity will continue to loop through and never exit, and you'll get an error message. So if there isn't free capacity or if the agent is unavailable, we're going to wait 5 seconds, and then we add to our total wait time by setting it equal to the clock minus our start time. If that entity has been through the loop enough times, then this total wait time will continue to add up, and if that total wait time is greater than 180, or in other words 3 minutes, then we're going to route 2, which is just a hang up location we have defined so that we can see the entity's exit. And also, once again, you have to remember to increment x. And then in the operation logic of our calls at the take call, we just use the agent for 6 minutes. And then at the hang up location, we just wait 3 minutes so that we can see the entity stop there during simulation. In a real life situation, you could just have them route straight to exit or whatever you want. Now let's simulate the model. And as you can see, calls come in and go to the take call, and if they hang up, then you'll see a red entity dot show up here in the hang up, like that. And that's how you model a situation where customers renege and exit the system. And that concludes this ProModel solution. Have a great day and happy modeling.